Hi. These are my two budgies. The white one in there, his name is Moonlight. He has one leg, and he couldn't fly for the longest time because his wings were clipped when I got him. So I've tried letting him out of the cage many times, and he's never came out. The yellow one's Luna. She comes out and she flies, and she or he, I'm not sure what he is. But I'm going to open the door, and hopefully he'll come out for me so I can show you his first flight. All right. I know Luna will come out right away. Come on, Moonlight, come on. Oh, Moonlight's not coming out. Okay, I'm going to try again. I should put the camera on a stand. Oh, come on, Moonlight. Come on. So I'm just gently tapping his cage at the back. There he comes! Whee! Woo! Where'd he go? Oh, Moonlight, where are you? Oh, Moonlight's up there. Moonlight, come on, can you fly? Whee! Oh, look at that. It's just out my canary. Luna, take Moonlight over here. Come on. Come on. Aww. Is that cute or what? Come on, Moonlight. Where are you? Oh, there he goes. Ah. Wee. Oh, he's happy now. Look, he's with the flock. Let's see if it's going to get focused. There we go. So, there he is at the bottom. The top white one is Starlight. The one with the light blue is Moonlight with 1 foot. The one with the yellow budgie there. That's the one he lives with, that's Luna. So I'm happy now. And he's happy too, I guess. And boy, I'll have to train him to go back in the cage. That'll probably take me like all night. Alright, there he is. Thanks for watching. I'll give you updates.